Home Remedies presents 10 life-changing tricks you can do with Vaseline. The affordable drugstore staple has been around for 150 years, and for good reason. Petroleum jelly has incredible life-changing beauty uses. So, Vaseline probably isn't the first thing you throw into your makeup bag. And I'm pretty sure you didn't know petroleum jelly is actually a beauty miracle maker. But of course, after watching this video, you would love to keep it handy. Let's see some of the selected beauty hacks that can be seen as life-changing. Split end savior. Split ends are a girl's worst enemy. If your hair looks totally fried, rub a little Vaseline through your ends. You can fake smooth ends until you get a haircut. Perfumes stay on longer. To make your favorite fragrances stay on the skin for longer, all you have to do is rub Vaseline to the desired area before spraying your perfume. Tame them brows, girl. Run out of eyebrow gel? No problem. Keep unruly eyebrows in place by smoothing Vaseline over your arcs. They won't move all day long. Perfect your nails. If you are constantly changing nail polish, your nails will suffer. But Vaseline once again saves the day. Massage some onto your cuticles each night to achieve healthy, moisturized nails. Also, line your nails with Vaseline before you paint them. The jelly will help keep polish from spreading outside your nail. DIY lip balm. Here's a hack to try. When you are at the end of a lipstick and can't get what is left behind. Next time, dig out what's left and mix it with some Vaseline to create your own tinted balm in your favorite shade. Isn't that fantastic? Protect your skin from hair dye. While coloring your hair, spread some Vaseline across your hairline and ears. Vaseline blocks the color from seeping into your skin and staining it. Removes eyelash glue. If you love the false lashes but worry what the eyelash glue will do to them, rub a bit of Vaseline on your lash line and the falsies will come off much easier. Get thicker looking lashes. Run out of mascara? No problem. Apply a little Vaseline to your lash line for a shiny, voluminous look. Highlight your cheeks. Vaseline is a super affordable way to get that highlighted look when you don't have highlighter handy. Dab it on your brow bones, lids, or the apples of your cheeks and voila! Soothe Dry Heels. Spread some Vaseline on your feet before you go to bed and cover with socks. You will wake up with soft skin that will look and feel like you got a pedicure. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.